Unit of measure in Tally. Unit of measure is the unit in which stock item is to be measured. When stock items are purchased or sold, the amount is calculated based on the quantities of stock items purchased or sold. The quantity is measured by using various units such as kilograms, grams, pieces, numbers, liters, and so on. Hence, it is necessary to create unit of measure so that stock of goods can be maintained accurately. In Tally, there are two types of units of measures: simple unit and compound unit. Simple unit consists of single unit. Examples of simple units are numbers, meters, kilograms, pieces, etc. Simple unit of measure can be created by going to Gateway of Tally, select Inventory Info, select Unit of Measure, select Create. Unit creation window will be opened. Provide the required information to create unit of measure, such as type. Type can be simple or compound. Symbol is the symbol used for unit of measure. Formal name is the detailed name of the unit. For example, formal name for NOS will be numbers. Number of decimal places is used for the stock items which are maintained in fractions. For example, food grains can be measured in fractions such as 0.5 kg, 0.75 kg, 0.25 kg, and so on. In such cases, required number of decimal places can be selected. Creating compound unit of measure. Compound unit is the combination of two simple units. Hence, before we create a compound unit, first we have to create two simple units. To create compound unit, once unit creation window opens, select type as compound. Once the type is selected, specify two units which should be used for creating compound unit. For example, to create compound unit, dozen of 12 numbers. We have to create two simple units, dozen and numbers, and set the conversion factor as 12 while creating compound unit, as shown in this unit creation screen. Once the type is selected as compound, specify the first unit dozen, second unit numbers, conversion factor 12. This will create the compound unit as dozen of 12 numbers. It is also possible to alter unit of measure. To alter unit of measure, Go to gateway of Tally, select inventory info, select unit of measure, in that select alter. Unit of measure will be displayed in alteration mode, wherein type, symbol and formal name can be modified or altered. In alteration mode, we cannot alter number of decimal places filled. Deletion of unit of measure. We can delete unit of measure from alteration mode screen by pressing Alt D. However, we cannot delete a unit of measure that is part of a compound measure. To delete such unit of measures, we must first delete the compound unit. For example, the compound unit dozen of 12 numbers. If you want to delete dozen or numbers, first the compound unit dozen of 12 numbers should be deleted. Once it is deleted, it allows us to delete dozen or numbers. How the unit of measure is selected. Unit of measure is selected based on nature of stock item. For example, books can be purchased in numbers. Food grains can be measured in terms of kgs. Based on style of business. For example, wholesaler may use unit of measures such as tons, bags, boxes, whereas the retailer may use the unit of measures such as pieces, numbers and so on. Once the unit of measures are selected or allocated for the stock items, these cannot be altered later on. The reason behind this is, suppose the opening stock is maintained in kg. During inward, a different unit of measure is used. During outward, a different unit of measure is used. If this is the case, how closing stock should be calculated? So, it is required to use the appropriate unit of measure to maintain stock of goods accurately. To create unit of measure, select inventory info, select unit of measure, unit creation screen opens. Let us create simple unit of measure first. Select the type as simple, symbol, press enter, Specify the formal name. Number of places, number of decimal places is selected if the stock item is measured in fractions. Press enter. It will create simple unit of measure, dozen. Let us create one more simple unit of measure, that is numbers. Now we have two simple units of measures, dozen and numbers. Using these two simple units, the compound unit of measure can be created. To create compound unit of measure, select type as compound. By default, Tally selects the type as simple. So to change this to compound, press backspace, select compound. Once the type is selected as compound, specify 2 units. Let us create the compound unit as dozen of 12 numbers. For this, select the first unit as dozen, conversion factor 12, dozen of 12. Select the second unit as numbers. This is how compound unit of measure can be created in Tally. Once all the unit of measures are created, press escape to come out of unit of creation screen. Press escape. To display unit of measure, go to inventory info, select unit of measures, select display. All the units of measure created will be displayed. Select the unit of measure and press enter. It displays the information entered for this unit of measure. Press escape to go back to the previous menu. Press escape. Alter option can be used to make modifications in the unit of measure. Select the unit of measure to be altered. Make the required modifications.